Get high and drive. Get high and drive.
So, are you excited for this class? I had a friend, she took it last semester, and she said it was such an easy A.
Well, this class is a requirement for my major, so I had to take it. But I've heard it's really interesting.
I heard the teacher is a real character.
All right, class, let's get started. I'm your teacher, Chicken Monk.
75, a million and 5 million.
And this is Corn Eating 101. If you're in the wrong class, don't worry. We won't laugh at you until after you've left.
What? And my teacher is a chicken monk?
Today's class is Intro to Corn. Now, can anyone tell me what food group corn belongs to?
Corn is a vegetable.
Actually, that is a common misconception. Corn is really a member of the grain family.
Yo, teacher,
What's that, Chad?
this class is kind of stupid. When are we ever going to use this in the real world?
You think this has no real-world application?
Yeah, it's kind of bogus.
Well, Chad, it seems we need to further your education. Perhaps you and I should go on a special lesson.
Where am I? What?
We're on a special lesson. You didn't think my class was important, and now me and my friend the horse priest are going to prove you wrong.
What are you doing?
Welcome to your bris, Chad.
Circumcision is the only way to prove my point, Chad.
No! No! No!
Just a little off the top, eh?
No! 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 No!
Oh, I totally see it now. This is important.
I'm glad you understand now. As they say, no pain, no grain.
Oh, yeah.